If you're looking for the perfect chicken recipe, try out this butter chicken, which is very rich, buttery, very delicious, and perfect to serve over some naan or some rice. The gravy is thick, it's also rich and just delicious as well. Yum. I can't wait to dig in. The chicken is made with very simple ingredients and spices which make up this delicious butter chicken. So I hope you'll be checking out the description box for the full recipe, and also you'll try out the recipe. To make this delicious butter chicken, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. Over here, I have chicken breasts that I've diced into bite-sized pieces ready for cooking. So in a mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in the marinade for marinating our chicken. So you're going to start off with transferring your chicken into your bowl. Make sure to wash your chicken using a lemon or even white vinegar until the chicken is clean. To your bowl, you're going to be adding in some garam masala, turmeric, and cayenne powder. Add in half of the garlic and ginger, yogurt, salt. Go in with your hands and massage until every ingredient is fully combined with the chicken. Once all the spices, garlic and ginger together with the yogurt are fully combined with the chicken, you're going to let your chicken rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. And if you have time, let the chicken sit in the fridge overnight and your butter chicken is going to be very flavorful. Once the chicken is marinated, it's time to cook our butter chicken. So I'm going to pick a non-stick pan and place over medium-high flame and add in my butter. So butter is the key ingredient in this chicken, and it's going to make a very flavorful butter chicken. So you're going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of cooking oil. Adding oil to the butter is going to help the butter not to burn. So once the butter is melted, you're going to add in your onions. Those are 2 large onions. Browning the onion is going to add in so much flavor to our butter chicken because the onions are going to caramelize and release a very nice sweet flavor to the chicken. Stir occasionally as the onions cook because you don't want the onions to burn. Also, the butter is going to add in a very nice flavor to the onions. Once you notice that your onions are starting to brown, you're going to add in the remaining garlic and ginger. Cook the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Once your onions are ready, you're going to be adding in 3 grated tomatoes or 3 blended tomatoes to your pan. Add in tomato paste. Stir in the tomato and tomato paste into the onions, and just look how delish the sauce is looking already. Next, you're going to add in some more turmeric, paprika and garam masala into the pan. Stir in the spices into the tomato sauce. And I wish you could smell this right now because it's smelling so delicious already. You're going to cook your tomatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes, and once you notice oil separating from the tomatoes, your tomatoes are ready. You're going to add in your chicken and stir into the delicious tomato sauce. And because chicken breasts usually cook really fast, it's going to take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook your chicken. And all the nice flavors that we use to marinate our chicken are going to seep into the tomato sauce. making the sauce very delicious, and also the chicken. So take time to marinate your chicken and it's going to turn out very delicious. So you're going to reduce the flames to low, and then you're going to cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is well cooked. Remember, we added in salt to our marinade, so I'm going to wait for around 3 minutes. As the chicken is cooking, watch over your chicken because you don't want the chicken to burn. I've added in a tiny pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes and tomato paste, balancing out everything and making the sauce very delicious. And because I don't want to overcook my chicken, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of yogurt to my pan. Stir in the yogurt into the chicken, and the yogurt is going to add in a lot of creaminess to the butter chicken. Just look at that. Then you're going to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. This is how my chicken is looking after 2 minutes, and it's looking very delicious, very saucy. Wow. Just look at this. The butter chicken is well cooked. So it's time to garnish. So I'm going to add in some coriander leaves. Put out the flames. Stir the coriander into the chicken, and our butter chicken is ready to serve. Add in an extra knob of butter and yum. So good. The chicken is made with very simple ingredients and spices which make up this delicious butter chicken. Once you're done plating your butter chicken, it's going to be looking very mouth-watering, and trust me, the flavor is just 100%. So it's best served over some naan or some rice, and everything is going to be very delicious. So this is a recipe worth trying because it's effortless. Actually, it's been around 30 minutes of cooking my chicken. That is not the marinating time, just cooking. So it has been just perfect, and this is a perfect recipe for you to try out maybe for lunch or dinner when you have no time to prepare. Just marinate your chicken and put it in the fridge. When you're from work, you can try out making this butter chicken, and it's going to be delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing butter chicken recipe.